Now, from time to time, you may have a PDF file that you want students to be able to edit. Now, with our district iPads, you can annotate on top of a PDF anytime. But I'm talking about, let's say you need to make some changes to this document, or you want students to actually be able to click and type and fill it out instead of just write on top of it. So I have a PDF file here, a project on the Chinese dynasty. So by default, you can't edit PDF files without having some external software, and most of that software costs money, and so it's real limited on what you're able to do. But one of my favorite websites is a website called PDFCandy.com. And PDF Candy allows you to do all kinds of things to PDFs, including the ability to take a PDF file and convert it to a Word document. So if I have a PDF file, which I have, and I wanted to save that or convert it to Word, I'm going to click PDF to Word. It allows me to add a file. When I click Add File, it's going to ask me where it's at. In this case, I have it on my desktop. Here it is. And when I hit Choose, it's going to upload that file to their website. And then it's going to convert that file to a Word document. And then now I have the ability to either click to download this file, or I could actually hit the Save to Google Drive button, and it'll actually have me add it to Drive. I'm going to go ahead and just download that file for now. So here it is. It is now a Word document. Now, Microsoft Word allows me to edit, so I can go in and I can make changes here. Now, depending on the type of file, depends on how good a job the conversion goes. So it looks like it got most of my text on here okay, but a lot of times it'll have problems with tables. Well, in this case, it's not too bad, where you might be missing some information and so on. But for the most part, this seems like it did a pretty good job. So I have it saved now as a Word document. So now, if I want to get this to a Google document, I'm going to go into my Drive. So I'm in Drive, and I'm going to go ahead and take that doc, and I'm going to drag it into my Google Drive and let go. Now it's going to upload the Word document to my Drive. So here's my file in my Drive. What I'm going to do from here is I want to either right-click on it and tell it to open with Google Docs, or if I simply double-click on it, up here at the top, there's an open with Google Docs. They both do the same thing. Once I have it in here, it is now still a Word document being viewed as a Google Doc. But if I wanted to save it as a Google Doc, I can just go to File, say Save as Google Docs, and this will make a duplicate of it, where I will have the Word version, and I will now have a Google Docs version of this file. You'll notice it doesn't have the .doc on the end like this other one did. This is the Word version. This is the Google Docs version without the dot. So this is a fully editable Google Doc. I can add things to it. I can make changes to it. It is now saved in my Drive. If I go back into my Drive, you'll notice I have two versions. I have the .doc version, that is the Microsoft Word, and then the one here with this icon, this is the Google Docs icon. This is my Google Doc. So now I could share this with students in Google Classroom or whatever way I like to share files, and they could edit and make changes to it and so on.